Hello all, as I promised you guys, I'm back with another stunning family home, 13 Vista Street. It is in heart of Palara. I want to tell you about this property, 4 bed, 2 bath, extra powder room and double lock up garage. It got all the doors and windows got security grills, ducted air con, stone bench top. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This is Mukesh Dubey from Hero Estate Agents and my mobile number is 0430 546 255. Let me show you this coming property. Please.